Let's look at the major chords with all white notes. We had C, F, and G. To practice moving between those chords, we're going to do it in this process. We're going to play 1, 2, 3 on C, play it for 3 beats, and we're going to lift on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to place our fingers on the next chord, which is F, A, and C, then we'll play. So 1, 2, 3, lift, F, A, C, play. F, 2, 3, lift, G, A, B, play. G, 2, 3, lift, F, A, C, play. F, A, C, F, 1, 2, 3 on C. C, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add our bass tone. We're going to do F, C, then F with the F chord, C with the C chord, F with the F chord, G with the G chord, F with the F chord, back to C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. C, 2, 3, lift, F, A, C, play. F, 2, 3, lift, G, B, D, play. G, 2, 3, lift, F, A, C, play. F, A, C, lift, go back to C, go. 1, 2, 3, lift. Do that a couple of times. Once you get comfortable with it, then we'll do the same process without the pause in between. So it'll be C, E, G, lift. F, A, C, lift. G, B, D, lift. F, A, C, back to C. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, lift to F. 1, 2, 3, lift to go to G. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift, back to C. 2, 3, 4. When you get comfortable with that, then we'll do just half notes. So it'll be play, so it'll be C, lift, F, lift, G, lift, F, lift, back to C. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. C, lift, F, lift, G, lift, F, lift, C. Now, let's go on a step further. We're going to just play C, F, G, F, land on C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, F, G, F, C. Cool. Now, another way to get comfortable with playing those chords is to do what's called a block, 2 patterns, a block pattern and broken. This will help you, one, be sure to be able to play all the chords in the inversions that you need, and you'll be able to know the notes in those chords no matter where you are on the piano. So, to play the blocked version, we'll play C, E, and G with 1, 3, 5. Then we'll play E, G, C with 1, 2, 5. Then we'll play G, C, E with 1, 3, 5. Then we do C, E, G with 1, 3, 5. So it looks like this. C, E, and G. Lift your hand to E, G, C. Lift your hands to G, C, and E. Lift your hands again to C, E, G. Come down to E, G, C. Come down again to C, G, and E. And then end with G, C, and E. The way you practice it is similar to the other method. We'll do 1, 2, 3, lift, E, G, C, play. 1, 2, 3, lift, G, C, E, play. 1, 2, 3, lift, C, E, G, play. 1, 2, 3, lift, E, C, G, play. 1, 2, 3, lift, C, E, G, C, G, E, play. 1, 2, 3, lift, back to root position, G, E, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do that same process for F as well as G. The next is, now that we did the did with the space, let's take the space out. So we do 1, 2, 3, lift. 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 And again, you're going to work on that on C, F, as well as G. Then we'll go to playing half notes. 1, lift. 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 Then after that, you just go straight quarter notes. 1. Cool. After that, then we'll work on the broken pattern. So we know how to do the block pattern.
Good afternoon, Hartwell staff and students. At this time, if you brought a device, please return it to Ms. Stewart. At this time, located in Ms. Greenslade's room. Again, if you brought a device, please return it to the steam room to Ms. Stewart at this time. Thank you.
Sorry about that. So now instead of doing a block, we're going to do broken. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1. So notice how I did 1, 2, 3. I'd lift up on my pinky off of G and went to my first finger on E. Then we're going to repeat that pattern going to G. 1. Then repeat that pattern going to C. Then we're going to come down. So I did G, E, C, E. Down to C. Down to G. One more time. Now put two of those chords together. Now put three of them together. And you do it all together. And you repeat that pattern for F and G.